Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.42 on Ubuntu 22.04 earliest version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, you can search, you can click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Select it. Then select the operating system. Select Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the versions from 20 to 24. So select the, but in this video I am going to install 22.04. If you want to install on 24, you have to select this one. Okay, 22. Once you selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be executed to install MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Ubuntu 22.04. See here the name is 22.04. Okay, but instead of download, so we have to download these packages. Instead of downloading these packages, just download this deb bundle package. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 490 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 Debian bundle tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf. Give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file. Hit enter. ls. See here we have extracted the Debian packages. Control A. Now we have to install these packages, but before installing them we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt-get install macap -ipadic -utf 8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type I and hit enter. Successfully installed. Control L. ls. Now we have to install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Ubuntu 22.04. Now set the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Use tab and come to OK and hit enter. See here, select the default authentication plugin. First one is the recommended one and second one is the legacy method. It is up to you. Then select OK and hit enter. Ignore these errors. Okay, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL is active and running, and also see here it is enabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password of the root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to the MySQL server 8.0.42. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL server 8.0.42. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. So, databases. Now create a database. Create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command use is the keyword. Then provide the name of the database. Then verify list of tables. It will be empty. See, you don't have any tables because this is the fresh database. So create a table. Create table Now verify again. See, we have created a table customer. Now insert some data into this table. Insert into see, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Show users. This won't work. Hit enter. See, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL dot user. Put semicolon. Hit enter. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL 8.0.42 installation. Let us create a user. Create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from this current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Okay. To exit from the MySQL server, we have to use the exit command. Hit enter. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u, new username David-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. We have to give the password of this David account. See, this is the password. See, we have successfully connected to the MySQL server, but verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the new user David. Now switch to bank database. See, access denied for user David to the database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL is stopped 4 seconds ago. We took it. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. Hit enter. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, we are able to connect. Also verify the status by running this systemctl status command. See, we have started 10 seconds ago. Okay. Control it. We can also connect MySQL server by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. Okay. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. Then install and connect MySQL server. ls. So we have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.deb. Hit enter. Sorry, rm star.deb. ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove this one also. rm mysql. Give the tab. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.